Ever wondered what programming languages are used to create your favorite mobile games? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. There are several languages at play, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. This video will delve into some of the most common options, breaking them down into general-purpose languages, scripting languages, and specialized languages. Starting with general-purpose languages, Kotlin takes the lead for Android app development. It's celebrated for its brevity, null safety features, and compatibility with existing Java code. Swift, on the other hand, is the prime pick for iOS and macOS development. It offers modern features, ease of use, and smooth integration with Objective-C. Java, although not as popular as Kotlin for Android development, still has a significant presence, especially for existing projects and developers familiar with the language. And then there's C#. It's used widely for game development in general and finds its place in mobile games, particularly via the popular Unity game engine. Moving on to scripting languages, Lua is a lightweight and embeddable language. It's a favorite for scripting logic within game engines like Corona and Defold. Its simplicity and ease of use are perfect for rapid game development. JavaScript, with the rise of frameworks like React Native, is increasingly used for building cross-platform mobile games, including those targeting both iOS and Android. In the realm of specialized languages, there's C++. While not directly used for game development on mobile platforms, it remains relevant for game engines like Unreal Engine. Its performance and access to low-level hardware make it ideal for demanding 3D games. But how do you choose the right language for your mobile game development? This depends on several factors. Your target platform, for instance. If your game is primarily for iOS, Swift is the natural choice. For Android, Kotlin is preferred. Cross-platform options like Flutter, Dart, or React Native JavaScript are also available. The complexity of your game is another factor. Simple 2D games can be efficiently built with Lua or JavaScript. For complex 3D games, C# or C++ might be better suited for performance reasons. And of course, your team's existing knowledge and skill set. If familiar with Java, Kotlin might be a smooth transition. If coming from web development, JavaScript-based options might be more comfortable. So to summarize, the choice of language for mobile game development is a blend of factors. General-purpose languages like Kotlin, Swift, Java, and C# have their own unique strengths. Scripting languages like Lua and JavaScript offer simplicity and flexibility. Specialized languages like C++ cater to performance-intensive games. The best language ultimately is the one that allows you to effectively build your desired game with your available resources and experience. For further guidance, check out the additional resources provided in the description below. And with that, the world of mobile game development languages is yours to explore. Let the games begin.